Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert multiple PDF file into a single Word file using Wondershare PDF element. Open Wondershare PDF software as a PDF file already open and go convert option, and here you will find this best convert option. Select here this best convert dialog box open. Now select here add files and you can open a PDF file. This one, this one also, this one, and see this. Multiple files now appear here, and this is output format. And select here or docs or doc, and save to source folder or SSV folder. Now select apply, and best processing. Wait for a few seconds and see this and apply. And see this out file. Yeah, this is all of this file now converted into one single file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment.